Hello, and welcome back to this series on Fusion 360. In this video, I will be creating the piston. So, let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, to start, again, a sketch. I want to create a circle with a diameter of 20.8, and I'll just start with that. I want to extrude that up 30 millimeters. Create another sketch right here. A circle with a diameter of 7.2. Finish that. Then extrude that up 69 millimeters. Now up here, I want to create essentially a box that is 16.8 millimeters long this way and 9.6 millimeters tall, centered here. So for that, I will go 8.4 millimeters out this way, 8.4 millimeters out this way. I want to go up, let's see, 9.6 divided by 2 would give you 4.5 gives you 9. So then 4 point 1.6 divided by 2, 4.8. There we go. .8 down there. Now across 16.8. There we go. Up 9.6. And there we go. I will finish that sketch. And then extrude this, and this up 6.6 millimeters. Now on the side here, I'll create another sketch with a line from back here at the midpoint going up 12 point, that should be a 12, not 16, 12.6 millimeters with a circle with a diameter of 9.6. I will then have lines going across here. Tangent should also be 90 degrees down here. So a line that is in line with this at 90 degrees should be tangent there. It is. I now want a second smaller circle at diameter 4. I will finish the sketch. And now I will extrude this to be, in this case, because of the direction that's in, it will be negative 1.9 millimeters. I will make that sketch visible again. Extrude the same thing, but this time over here, I want to start from object here, and this should be 1.9 as well. Now because of that, this line here should be 13 millimeters, and it is. Now at the bottom here, I want to create a fillet with a radius of 2. And there we go. That is the arm complete. So, I hope you've learned something today. I hope you'll join me in the next video where we'll finish up with all the parts, and I hope you have a nice day.